This is Andy's first trip after getting his rig custom built by Agan Fabworks. His original FJ40 was stretched with a custom frame and roll cage to extend the rear into an Aqualu aluminum tub. This added more space for a rear bench seat and cargo area. Agan Fabworks also built a custom 4-link suspension system that rides on ORI struts and 43-inch Super Swampers. Just like that. The perfect length. You're so close. Yeah, you could. You're pushing up on your passenger, but you could go passenger reverse and give it one more shot, staying a little bit more this way. Yeah, it's a big climb there now. Maybe try climbing driver. But yeah, that's a stop. It's just a big ledge, undercut ledge on that side now. So I'd go that way. Driver, try to climb that way. So we just finished up wheeling into Red Lake. Come up here a lot. It's an easy trail, but with family, friends, I mean, you just can't imagine how nice this lake is coming up here. So just take a look at this. We set up camp, tents are up, dinner's cooking. I think tonight we're laying low, but tomorrow we'll probably get into Coyote Lake, check it out, and come back down and get into the lake. It is day 2. We are still at Red Lake. It's afternoon. A big group from the Cal 4-wheel drive poker run came through, so we're going to go watch them do the gatekeeper. We're going to clear out our rigs, and then we'll probably do the gatekeeper and see how far we get to Coyote Lake today. So let's go check them out. All right, we just climbed the gatekeeper of Coyote Lake Trail. Now I'm getting behind the wheel of Andy's new rig, and I get to test out the ORIs, the new link system. All this was done from Agan Fabworks about 2 months ago. So yeah, I want to test this thing out. Okay, Jaker, there we go.
Got myself a rig.
Yeah. morning. It is our last day. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We are packing up. It is the holiday weekend, so more groups came in. Played on Coyote Lake Trail a little bit, got about halfway through, and then turned around last night. Red Lake Trail is pretty easy to get out of, so we're gonna roll pretty quick. We've seen it a ton of times. I might put this camera underneath Andy's rig and see the new 4-lake system working on some of the rocks. But in about an hour and a half, we'll be at the trailers and on the road. Red Lake is a trip we make every year. We enjoy getting our rigs into the rocks on the way in, but it's when we're relaxing at our camping spot and letting the kids experience mountain lake camping that has us coming back year after year.